Welcome back to our channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the best outdoor tech gadgets of 2024. From robust speakers to innovative outdoor gear, we've got the latest and greatest gadgets to enhance your outdoor adventures. Let's get started with our first product. Kicking off our list is the ECOXGEAR Defender 121 dB, an absolute beast of an outdoor speaker. This portable powerhouse boasts an impressive 121 dB of sound, ensuring your outdoor gatherings are filled with high-quality audio. Its waterproof design, rated at IP67, means you can take it to the beach, poolside, or even on a rainy camping trip without a worry. With Bluetooth 5.1, pairing your devices is seamless and offers a stable connection for up to 100 feet. The 100-watt, two-way speaker system provides crisp highs and deep bass, perfect for any music genre. One of the standout features is the LED party lights, adding a vibrant atmosphere to your gatherings. These lights can sync with your music, creating a dynamic and fun environment, and if you're concerned about battery life, fear not. The Defender offers over 25 hours of playtime on a single charge, so your parties can go all night long. Its rugged design and black oak finish not only look great, but are built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or an adventurous weekend camping, the ECOXGEAR Defender 121 dB is your go-to for delivering massive sound and durability. Let's dive into the Insta360 Ace Pro, a game-changing waterproof action camera co-engineered with Leica. This flagship device is designed for those who demand top-tier image quality and performance. At the heart of the Ace Pro is a 1.3 sensor, which, combined with AI noise reduction, delivers stunning 4K footage at 120 FPS, ensuring your action shots are crystal clear and smooth, even in low-light conditions. The 2.4 flip screen is a game-changer for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts, making it easy to frame your shots perfectly from any angle. One of the standout features of this camera is its advanced AI capabilities, which help in auto-editing your footage, recognizing scenes, and optimizing settings for the best possible output. Being waterproof, the Ace Pro is perfect for capturing underwater adventures, whether you're snorkeling in tropical waters or diving into a pool. Its robust build and superior engineering make it durable enough to withstand extreme conditions, while still being lightweight and portable. Whether you're an adventurer, a content creator, or someone who loves capturing life's moments in the highest quality, the Insta360 Ace Pro, with its Leica-engineered optics and advanced features, is an excellent choice for pushing the boundaries of your creative expression. Let's talk about the Jackery Solar Generator 3000 PRO, a top-tier choice for any outdoor enthusiast. With an impressive 30-24 WR capacity and intelligent battery management system, BMS, this generator ensures safety with features like overcharge and short-circuit protection. Picture yourself on a camping trip or during a power outage, and with its dual 200W solar panels, you can get a full charge in just 2.4 hours. Super efficient. Designed with two PD 100W ports, it's perfect for quickly charging your devices. The rugged black and orange exterior not only looks sleek, but also promises durability and reliability. With over 25 hours of playtime, this generator is built to keep you powered up through all your adventures. It's a must-have for RV trips, camping, or any situation where you need dependable power. The Jackery Solar Generator 3000 PRO blends advanced technology with practical functionality, making it an essential tool for anyone who loves exploring the great outdoors. The Garmin Instinct Solar is the ultimate GPS outdoor watch for adventurers seeking durability and advanced functionality. This powerhouse of a watch offers unlimited battery life in smartwatch mode, thanks to its solar charging capabilities, perfect for those who spend significant time outdoors. Even in GPS mode, it can last up to 48 hours with continuous solar charging, making it incredibly reliable for extended trips. The built-in sports apps cater to runners, bikers, swimmers, and strength trainers, while VO2 Max and other training features help you optimize your workouts. Stay connected with smart notifications and Connect IQ compatibility when paired with your smartphone. Navigation is a breeze with the integrated 3-axis compass and barometric altimeter, along with support for multiple global navigation satellite systems like GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. Health monitoring is comprehensive, tracking heart rate, sleep, pulse, ox, and respiration to give you a clear picture of your well-being. The Power Manager feature allows you to extend battery life by adjusting settings and sensors on the fly. Built to withstand harsh conditions, the Instinct 2. Solar is water-rated to 100 meters and boasts thermal and shock resistance thanks to its fiber-reinforced polymer case and scratch-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass. This rugged watch is designed to keep up with your toughest adventures, making it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a game-changer for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Weighing under 249 grams, it's incredibly portable and often doesn't require registration in many regions, making it perfect for spontaneous adventures. Its foldable design ensures you can take it anywhere with ease. This mini drone packs a punch with its 4K 60 FPS video capabilities and 48 1080p photos, capturing every detail with dual native ISO and a f1.7 aperture, delivering exceptional quality both day and night. One of the standout features is the true vertical shooting mode, allowing the gimbal to rotate 90 degrees for perfect portrait shots, making it ideal for social media content creators. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, you can explore and capture your surroundings without constant battery worries. Safety is a top priority with tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, providing unmatched security in the Mini series. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is packed with intelligent features like focus track, master shots, time-lapse, and quick transfer, ensuring you can create and share stunning content effortlessly. The package includes the new DJI RC with a pre-installed DJI Fly app and a 5.5-inch HD display, ensuring clear viewing even under direct sunlight. With a maximum wind resistance of 10.7 MNRES, this drone is built to withstand challenging conditions, making it the perfect companion for any adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.